One spreadsheet tells me, in about 3 seconds, exactly how much money I have, how much I owe, and whether I'm ahead or behind this month. No app, no subscription, no math. I built it, and today I'm giving you the full tour. If you've ever downloaded a budget template and abandoned it by week 2, this video is for you. I'm walking through every tab of my ultimate budget and finance tracker. It's a Google Sheets and Excel template, and the whole point is that you only ever type numbers into the blue cells. Everything else, every total, every chart, every how many months until I'm debt-free, calculates itself. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it works. So if you grab it, you're not starting from zero. This is home base, the dashboard. I never type anything here directly. It pulls in your total monthly income, your bills, your debt balance, your bank balance, and your net worth, and does the math for you. See this? Net monthly cash flow? That single number tells me whether this month is going to end in the green or the red before it happens. That's the whole game. And this chart updates itself every time you log a purchase. Which tab feeds it we'll get to in a minute. First, you list every income source on the Income tab. Paycheck, freelance work, a side hustle. And it converts everything to a monthly equivalent automatically, even if you get paid weekly or bi-weekly. Bills is where your fixed monthly costs live. Rent, insurance, subscriptions, with due dates and a paid/unpaid status so nothing sneaks past you. But my favorite tab is the Paycheck Dashboard. This is zero-based budgeting. You take each paycheck as it lands and assign every dollar a job. Bills, debt, savings, or expenses. You're done when remaining hits zero. It's the single habit that changed how I budget. If you're carrying debt, this tab alone is worth it. You list every balance on the Debts tab. Credit cards, loans, medical debt, and the debt payoff calculator ranks them for you. Choose Snowball if you want to knock out the smallest balance first for quick wins, or Avalanche if you want to attack the highest interest rate first and save the most money. Add an extra monthly payment, and it shows you your payoff priority order. Pay minimums everywhere. Throw every extra dollar at priority number 1, then roll that payment into number 2 once it's gone. Here's the day-to-day part. Every time you spend money, you log it once on variable transactions. Date, what it was, the category, the amount. That single log feeds the Expenses tab automatically, comparing your budgeted amount to what you've actually spent by category with a running difference and percent used. You'll never manually add up receipts again. Savings goals is for the big stuff. An emergency fund, a vacation. Set a target and a date, and it tells you the monthly contribution you need to get there. Sinking funds is for the expenses you know are coming but don't happen every month. Christmas, car maintenance, property tax, so they stop being emergencies. And the 50-30-20 dashboard checks your spending against the classic rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. Target versus actual, charted. Net Worth Tracker lists your assets and liabilities. It pulls your total debt in automatically. And you log your number once a month to watch the trend line move, hopefully in the right direction. Bank Tracker keeps a running balance across every account, like a real check register. One rule to remember: blue cells are where you type. Everything white or black is a formula. Leave it alone and let it work. There's a full instructions tab built into the file if you ever need a refresher. I'd recommend making a fresh copy at the start of every month so your history stays intact. That's the full tour of the ultimate budget and finance tracker. It's an instant download, one-time purchase, no subscription. Etsy link is in the description and pinned comment. If you've been looking for the spreadsheet that finally sticks, this is it. If this was helpful, subscribe for more budgeting tips, and I'll see you in the next one.